What's up? What's up? What's up? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another live session with me. Let's go. Today is March 28th, 2023. And I'm looking at NAS right now. I'm going to break down NAS. I got to break it down every morning just so I know exactly where I'm at. You can know exactly where I'm at, and we can have an understanding of why I'm getting into a trade or how I trade or how I identify my edge. So, if you look on the daily, this is the daily time frame. If you look on the daily, you can see that yesterday was a big bearish engulfing candle that engulfed this last Friday candle. So that was a pin bar to a bearish engulfing. So I'm expecting a bearish movement from here on out. Because why? As I told you, pin bar to bearish engulfing. If you understand candlestick anatomy, then you would understand why exactly I'm looking at the trade, how I'm looking at the trade, and why am I looking for sells. Yesterday I was looking for buys because we had the pin bar. I was thinking maybe push. Didn't work. It came back, it stopped me out. We lived the trade another day. Okay, on the 4 hour, break down the 4 hour. Let's break down structure. We need to know structure at all time. So I'm going to start from down here. Structure. My fault. Structure. You can't really see where structure is right here, but it's structure in here. But we'll just go down there. Structure. Oh man, I just closed it. And structure. So what do we see here? We see that we had structure that was breaking up to the top, which created this last high. So this was the previous high. This was the last lower high. This is the next higher high. It came back, made a lower low, but this is still the lower low. We were looking for this lower low, well, this lower low to become this now to be the lower low if it broke above this point right here. So this is still maintaining as the last lower low. Now you see that price came where it was once resistance here. It turned and is being used as support. And up here we have resistance because that's where the high was. It turned around. It couldn't break it. So market is stuck between these two ranges of 12,600 and like 12,900. Like that range. It's like a 300-point range. And it's not moving. It hasn't broken out of the range just yet. So we're just waiting for a break of the range. That would probably be an ideal setup that you would have to wait for. If it breaks under here, come back, retest, take it lower. If it comes back up here, you could probably look at to take it short because it hasn't broke this area in a while. To take it short, or if it breaks up, break above resistance, you're looking for the retest, take it long. Okay, let's drop down to the 1 hour. Let's draw structure on the 1 hour. So you seen what was structure look like on the 4 hour. It was in consolidation market. It looks the same on the 1 hour, but just some more details. So I'm gonna just start in the range. So when it came in the range, bottom of the range, there was a little structure point right here. Drop down in the range, pop back up, drop down out in the range, pop back up. And we're here today. So you could see upward pressure, downward, it came back to retest the lows, came back to retest the highs, came back to retest the lows. It didn't retest the highs, like it didn't even come close to the highs. If I'm being honest, like this Yesterday, I was taking buys off this, thinking that this high, well, on a smaller time frame, you would see it, but this was being maintained. It was pushed. It pushed above. I was taking longs above. It came back and broke. Came back and shorted all the way back to the lows. So now, when I looked on the daily time frame, I was seeing yesterday was a bullish engulfing, which means yesterday had a lot of selling pressure in the market. So what am I looking for today? Especially after Friday, which was barely bullish. Then we had a big bearish engulfing candle for yesterday. I'm looking for sells. And if you see the structure, we're still in a range, but once we get the breakout of the range, I'm expecting a strong move out of the range. This is the 1 hour, but let's see what the news is. So today we have CB consumer confidence and Richard manufacturing index. Orange folders, I don't really, I would say they matter, of course. Every news matters, but red folders is obviously the most important folders. That's the one that's coming in with the most volume and the most volatility, and that's when buyers or sellers are usually doing the most right there. So I don't really pay attention to orange folders. It's really just red folders, but I keep orange folders just to know what news is around what time and etc. etc. So we know we have these two new folders at 10 a.m. Right now it is 8:50. So we are an hour and 10 minutes before news time, and we are close to 45 minutes before market open, or really 40 minutes before market open. So I'm looking for volume to come in as market open, volume to come in and start breaking these lows right here. Once it start breaking these lows, I'm looking for a retest of support. So this was support. I'm looking for a retest of support. So rejection of support to become resistance to start taking it lower. So this is what it would look like. It will come down, break these lows, come back up, probably reject, come back down. So I'm looking to take entries along the area of support, which will turn to resistance once it start rejecting and show me momentum to the downside. So that's primarily what I'm looking at for today for NAS. Let's jump on US30 and let me do a breakdown on US30. So let's take off all the drawings. US30, let's jump on the daily time frame. US30 is a little tricky, but if you can see on US30, we're in an overall well, since the last couple months, we've been in a downtrend. Last couple months, we've been in a bearish move. You can't see all the details right now, but as you can see, downtrend being maintained, right? Yesterday's candle was slightly bullish, but what do we have here? If you look to the left, we have a support zone turned to resistance. Price is now trading right by the resistance. It came up into the resistance. So we're looking for price to keep rejecting this area. It's not, so that line wasn't a specific point. It's an area. It's an area of where I'm thinking markets will start to reject and push down. If it pushes above these highs, then I'm looking for it to take to these highs. So these highs would be right here. I usually put them at the body close because it just holds more weight than the wicks, because the wicks just does a lot sometimes. So put it right there at the body close. So if market comes, I'm looking for it to short from here. But if it doesn't, if it breaks above, I'm looking for it to take it to this next area. And then if it does, etc., etc., just keep going to the next zone. So we're trying to trade from zone to zone. But we just want to know exactly where we're at on the higher time frame. So this is the daily time frame, but so we see what support has turned into resistance, and market is trading right at that resistance area. So we'll possibly could look for shorts, but we're not gonna marry the buys. If it pushes above, we look for buys. We already have both scenarios. If it does this, we'll do this. If it does this, we'll do this. So we set out both scenarios, but on the most likely chance, it's gonna short from that area. So let's drop down to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, let's draw out the structure. So you see where the daily zone and the 4 hour zone meet. Let's just cut through some of this noise. So as you can see, markets have came up here and touched it. 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth touch right here. So we're here today, but it's came up here, been used as support. When it broke under resistance, we're looking for this to be used as resistance as well. So that's where we're currently at as far as market prices, and we're looking for it to respect it and keep going shorter. So that's structure on the 4 hour and exactly where we're sitting at on the 4 hour. Let me drop down to the 1 hour. So when I get in for an entry, I look at the 5 and the 15 minutes for entries, but I like to know where I'm at in the bigger picture, like the grander scheme of things. So on the daily, I want to know where I'm at. I want to mark up like supply and demand zones, and I want to know how the candle have closed like the past 2 prior days. It kind of tells you where momentum is shifting. And I want to know where we're at in the 4 hour. I want to know where we're at in the 1 hour. So all of this gives me an idea of where market can go and where I can find my edge for the day. All right, so now we're on the 1 hour. We don't need to do all of this because we already did it. You already know where we're at. We're sitting right there by resistance. We already know where we're at. So you see, we got this push up here, boom, push. Now we're breaking structure lows. You see that? You see what we just broke right here? We just broke a structure low. So now you can expect, well, if you're looking for a trade, obviously, you can possibly wait for a small pullback, get in for the shorts. If it decides that pullback is not what it wants to do and it just keeps going up and it breaks above these highs, sure, we'll take it above the highs. When it comes back retest, we'll take another long. But we are trending with the market direction. The market is overall bearish. On the 4 hour, it's also overall bearish, trading right at the resistance zone. And the 1 hour, we're at the resistance zone, starting to break structure on the 1 hour. So the market is starting to show you from the top to the bottom. We're here on the daily, on the 4 hour right here, on the 1 hour right here. So you just gotta go deeper and deeper and deeper, and then you find where your edge may sit at, what area your edge may sit at, and then you drop down to the lower time frames and you look for confluences to get into a trade, whether that be a break of structure like we have right here on the 1 hour, break and retest, momentum, candle closures, like whatever your confluence is to get into a trade afterwards. That's what you would do after you know the overall picture of where you're at in the market. This is just basic market analysis, and then psychology kicks in because it's not perfect. So it's going to do what it wants to do. But you can't just overtrade. Like if you take a loss and analyze why you took a loss, see exactly where you are from the top to the bottom. Do it all over again. See where you at from the top to the bottom. Reanalyze it. Then try to look for a better entry. If you decide that there is no better entry right now, or the time that you're sitting down to trade is done. Like I trade from 8 to 11 a.m. I'm not looking for another trade after 11. I'm not looking to enter another trade after 11. So after 11, that's it. If I'm in a trade, I'm managing it. Not looking for another trade. So you just, that's where the psychology comes in. That's where the rules and the risk management and stuff like that, that's where you have, that's what separates the good traders from the bad. Well, there's not bad traders because everyone makes mistakes. From the profitable to the unprofitable. So there's no really bad traders because we all make mistakes. Trading is, you're going to lose in trading. It's inevitable because the markets are not perfect. So anyone that tells you they always win, they're lying. You should run. Run, run fast. Do not listen to them because they're lying. Okay. Now I'm going to send my Zoom to my chat. See who joins up. For the moment, for the meantime, we are here doing our thing. So I'm gonna drop down to the 5 minute. I want to see how structure looks on the 5 minutes. So you can see structure started breaking on the 5 minute. Let's go to NAS. Where's NAS? NAS is also doing the same thing. We're also still in that same area. Possibly for NAS, I might not trade NAS today until it gets like, until it starts breaking all of these lows. If we can see a break below these lows, I think I might be interested around that time. But we do, let me see. We do have a strong, anybody even here? Got one view. Nobody looking at it right now, but we're here. If you choose to go back and watch it, I hope you learned the game. If we choose to break it, I'm looking at this area right here. If you see this area was used as support, pushed up, support. So if it comes down and break this, I might look for a retest to take it shorter. So I'll probably put an alert right here. So once it gets to that price, I know. Sometimes I look away for 2 seconds and the market just start running. Let's see, US30. Let's go to US30 time frame. Oh, on US30, why did I draw that line? I gotta figure out why did I draw that line. Oh, these lows that were being broken. Yeah. Okay, so we seen this. I wouldn't even call this a pullback. I would probably call this right here a better pullback because this, you can see that structure when it came up here. This is a pullback, deeper pullback. It broke above this high. We got a smaller pullback. And then here, I wouldn't call this a pullback because it just came right here. So, I mean, I guess you can call a pullback, especially right here. And then now we're shitting right here. So I would say probably a retest of this area. That's like a neckline for a double top. All this stuff that I'm saying is like a part of candlestick anatomy. So if you don't know candlestick anatomy, pick up a book called Candlestick Bible, and that's what it's called, Candlestick Bible, and learn some stuff. Learn. It's probably going to be very helpful to you because it's very helpful to me. So I dropped down to the 5 minute, and as we could see, the same thing I was saying, where as far as structure is, we had these points that kept touching and being used as support. When it came that, it broke through support that was right here, retested. We had another drop. So we have this area right here that can now be used as support as well because it was a structural area on the 1 hour. If we come back down here and break it, I'll probably use it as use it as an indicator to get in shorts, look for a retest, take it short, man. Excuse me. A good entry could have possibly been like right here. What would that entry look like for me? I probably would have got in at that bullish engulfing. So we see where that we see volume start to come in the market right here on that bullish engulfing candle. So I would probably take it right here, stops a little bit above the last high, and I'm shooting to the next area. So I wouldn't have hit TP yet, but I'll be in profit. It's in. What's up, my guy?
What up, what up, what up?
I took that GJ buy yesterday. What was it buy? Yeah, I took that GJ buy yesterday. I set it and just went to sleep, bro.
You make profit?
Yes, sir. Took profit. 2 to
That's
1.
what's up.
That's what's up. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I didn't put it on my main account. I put it on my personal account because I just wanted to see.
Mhm.
Still made money from it.
It was it was a good setup though.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's news affected,
Mm-hmm.
but I made
Facts.
4% on it. So
You kept holding. Are you still holding?
no,
You closed
I
it.
said it because I think it kind of like I don't know. It's ranging right now. I don't know. It's not really moving because they need to break that little high and
Mm-hmm.
shit, so you could go up.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
But they haven't break it yet. So
Mm-hmm. Guess what, bro?
what?
I got a 200K account.
Say less, man.
I,
Congrats.
I, I,
See.
uh, that event that I went to, that Alex FXG, event that
Mhm.
he had, he was,
Yeah.
they had a raffle for 200K, things, challenges,
Mhm.
and I won one. So it was my
See.
lucky day, bro. It was like, fuck. I was looking to get one of these. Fuck it, I'll take it.
Yeah, yeah. Make sure you take your time with that one, bro.
I'm not gonna
It,
start it
which
yet. I'm gonna start it next month. I'm gonna focus on this account right now. Yeah, because I still gotta pass this 50K. I'm still trying to pass it.
so for which platform is that one
Funded,
for?
Rocket 21.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, Rocket 21. That's a firm. Yep,
I mean,
it's about the same rules as MFF. So same shit. But we good now, bro. We good. Listen, I'm just gonna try to pass this
hey, I
50K.
feel like that's what you need right now, the 200K account. So you got it now.
Yeah,
See.
I'm gonna risk this week because I'm trying to pass this account this week. Honestly, I'm definitely trying to pass this 50K account this week. So I'm gonna put risk on the table now on a good setup, obviously, so I could pass this challenge, and then I could go to phase 2 on this shit, and I could start phase 1 on the 200K. I might just what do you call those thing that copy traders? Yeah,
Probably trader, yeah.
yeah. I might just get a copy trader so I could try to pass both of them at the same time. But we lit, man. It's time, man. It's time to level up for me.
Hey, like I say, man, load that shit up when you see the opportunity, bro.
Load that fucking shit up, bro. That's a fact. That's a fact.
Uh, Yesterday, bro, I was so tired, bro. I couldn't even make it to the New York session.
It's good, bro. What you was doing?
But hey, I ended up making, bro. When the market was about to close, bro, I ended up making eight 8%, bro.
when the market was closing.
when it was, yeah, around like 3.
Fuck. You know what's
I
crazy?
was
I
scared.
seen a trade too around like 2 o'clock, but I was like, it's not my trading time. I'm gonna chill. I don't know how you do it, man. Fuck.
Bro, it's easier to scalp around like 2:30 and 3, bro. So easy, bro.
Just like take the trade, right? Fuck it, just take
'Cause
the trade.
I realized one thing about US30, right?
Mhm.
It's like if it created a high, right?
Mhm.
And around 350, it went down, right?
Mhm.
Trust me, when it hit 4, bro, it's gonna test the high.
Mm.
And then because that's what I do. I watch it and see from what like for like I watch it for a whole week, bro. See how it move. It did it keep doing the same thing, bro.
You're gonna probably have to
It
show
went
me that.
down
You're gonna have to show me that,
around
bro. You're gonna have to show me that.
yeah, it went down around like 350, and then when it hit 4, it went back up to retest the high, and then
Eight
that's when I looked that
percent.
shit up.
Damn.
Yeah, yeah,
Damn. Did you get another payout? You don't gotta tell me
mm,
the price,
yeah,
but did you get another payout? Yeah.
yeah. I've been having payout
Like another one. I meant another one.
from what?
From anyone in your account. I don't know.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's bi-weekly now. So.
Fuck.
But the 200 not yet though.
Okay. I'm trying to pass the two. So you passed the 200 though. You still just gotta
Huh?
wait them off.
Yeah.
All right, bet. I'm almost there, bro. I feel it, bro. I feel very confident in my trading skills. Just being able to do this shit, going live on YouTube, trading live in front of people. I ain't hiding the shit no more. You want to see the profits? Fuck you. I don't care.
I don't know. I don't know, bro. What's the point of hiding it anyway? It's like, you know what I'm saying? It's profit.
Yeah, but yeah, well, I would say the losses too. I'm not gonna hide anything because people would just be dick riding. So you want transparency? Fuck it, I'll give you transparency. You can see everything.
Why? I don't know. Things so seem slow today. I don't know why.
You said things seem slow today.
Yeah, like the market, nothing really
Yeah,
doing anything.
nothing really doing nothing much. We have news at 10. The news at 10, but let's see. We what 20 minutes away from market open. Yeah, nothing. It's pretty dry right now.
Are you still bullish or
I'm bearish. What are you bullish?
I don't know what I am. Shit. To
Bro, I
me, it
was
really
bullish.
don't matter, bro.
I was bullish yesterday. That shit just turned
Huh?
back around. I was bullish yesterday. That shit turned around. Like fuck. He was supposed to break those highs, but it just turned around. It went back to the lows. So I'm looking for it to break those lows and enter for shorts.
No,
Yeah.
I feel like with the way I trade, it's like I'm not, bro. I don't wake up today and I see the market bullish or whatever. It's like whatever which way give me the opportunity, that's where I'm gonna take it. I don't really care if it's bullish or not.
Mm. You don't be just like looking for like a crazy
I mean,
setup.
I do, but it's just like to me, it really don't matter though. Either way,
Mm. I get that. I get
I
that.
feel like in a sense I'm more bullish because I like buying instead of selling because I'm not, confident on selling, which is weird, but
I'm
because
confident
I
selling.
like buying though, like you know what I'm saying.
Mm. I like selling. I like selling a lot more than I like buying. I feel like
I feel
selling.
like when it comes to this,
Uh-huh.
go ahead.
Now I was saying when
I feel
it starts selling, it just start dropping.
okay. I don't know. I feel like I'm more confident when it comes to buying.
Hmm. We'll see, man. We'll see. I think I'm sales for the day though. Just seeing how market structure is just moving, just from yesterday, everything's just continuously dropping. So I'm sales. On that, a US30, I even watched Q Bank's little video drop down breakdown. He's bearish too, so I'm like, all right, cool. I'm rocking with one of his buys. So if you sell it, I'm
You
selling it.
bearish?
Man, he's bearish. If he bearish, I'm bearish. Fuck it.
You go. See?
But I see it though. I see why it's gonna be bearish. But yeah, man. Let's see if I can pass it there. 50K, bro. Let me open it. Yesterday, I was fumbling, bro. Fucking doing everything besides taking a damn trade. Oh, let me show you. Oh, damn, I just closed it. Let me show you where I took the trade. Come on. Is this the code? No, that's not it. I took the GJ trade yesterday. See, this is the GJ trade. I got in when you showed me. I seen it though.
Mhm.
I seen on the 1 hour. I seen it. It made sense to me. I was like, okay, on the 1 hour we had this push and we got to pull back to right there, and it's sitting right there. All right, cool. I'll take it. Let's put some money behind it. Took it right here. Stopped our. I mean, take profit up here. So I didn't want to really push it all the way above the highs. Just push it like to where it makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah, and I caught like
I
what?
feel like one thing about it's like my target, like the when I put take profit at, it's not always you don't always have to wait for it sometime, bro. It's like if it makes sense, if I like I make 4%, right? So I'm satisfied with that shit.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So I take it.
Because you be loading it up. So when the move starts moving, you are up a good amount. So you don't even really
Yeah.
have to wait for the whole move to finish. Where have I stop? I have my stop losses right here. So I didn't come close to it. Stop losses, take prices. Stop loss was 30 pips. Take profit was 68.
See?
Nice. It's a nice catch. I ain't gonna lie. That's a nice catch.
Yeah. A day, bro.
And
What a day. I feel like today probably gonna be slow as fuck.
we do
I
have
know you
some
give me
news.
that vibe.
We do got a little bit of news.
Hmm?
So it could work. Um, this is the main account. How much was I risking? Let's go 10.
So how much you gotta make? 5K?
This, yeah, all I have to make is what is what is what is 8% of 50K? It's like
I say 4,000 in it.
it's like 4,000, yeah, 4,000, yeah. Last week I was up. Let me show you. Last week I was up $1,000, a little bit over 1,000. Yesterday I took these losses right here, which put me back down to 677. So it's cool. It's cool, but looking to make some.
Cause I remember on Friday, bro, you was up like almost 2K in it.
Who me?
Yeah.
Friday I was up 2K. No, Friday no. No, yeah. I did. I took a loss. I took a loss. No, for my first trade was a loss, and then the second trade was a win. So it just canceled each other out. Yeah, but yeah, for sure. I was up that much, but hey man, it is what it is, bro. I still left the day profitable. Can't be mad. Man, just watch, man. I just need my first payout to be able to like cover some months of my expenses. And then it's time to go crazy, bro. I'm gonna just go crazy.
Leaving my boy.
Yeah. My son Kino, man. Kino be hitting me up all the time, bro, but he never joined the live sessions.
I ain't even gonna try to convince you, man.
Yeah, I ain't even gonna try to convince him. It is what it is. He be doing his own thing. see if anybody. Nope. We only had one viewer here for like 2 seconds. No, I'll wait. 10 minutes.
Una familia muy grande. Salma va a conocer a la familia de Ana.
Ana, mi hija favorita. Mamá, tú solo tienes una hija. Esta es mi novia Salma.
nicely.
Nada. Por favor, no.
Gracias. Buenas noches. No, gracias. Hablas.
Hablas. Disculpe, por favor.
Perdón, Luis. Perdón, Luis. Sí, lo siento. De nada.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. See. Okay, 9:30. Let's see.
Melia Wonder Week is here. Get an extra 40% discount.
Let's see what's going on. You say you wanna trade it? Bye-bye. Yo, man, can you please stop doing that? Be like that, bro. Oh, now it's just fell. I made it stop. You don't want no more? Man, please. Please. Yo, man, please. I was in the 35, but I closed because I didn't like my position. Started looking at it. I'm like, nah, I don't like that area, so I closed and bro. Wait, nah, the 30.
Well, you took buys.
I took buys. Okay, nice is going. I mean,
Yeah, use it.
yo, the 35 going crazy right now. That's bargain, right? a trade yet?
Small pullback. Let's see. Only resting like news in 45 seconds. Let's see what way it takes it.
You selling right now?
Z. Dimanche não me ajude lá.
Oh, you hopped in the 30. Oh. Yeah. I went for a buy though. Let's see. Hey. Yeah. But I'm not in nothing right now. She would have hit my TP regardless, so I wouldn't be in. So I took it early because I didn't like my positioning. I wanted to reposition, so I'm like, nah, I'm getting out. Yeah, I know, but I ain't like it. It was a little higher. Fuck it though. Trying to wait for another setup. Just looking. Hey. You yelling at? You hear this boy in the AM? Going crazy. Let go of me. Let go of me. Let go of me, Amir. Who you yelling at?
Gonna stop me out. Just finish that video just now. We'll take the loss. Fixing up like a structure for a weakness.
Why you yelling? Why you yelling?
Take me out. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Just got stopped out at US30. GG's.
You down a lot?
248, 58. I'm not risking progress right now. Yo, we gotta see if this NAS is gonna do the same bullshit.
that, man.
Still a US30.
Yeah.
Why you pick US30?
Huh?
Why you pick US30?
Yeah.
I don't see it. It came here mad times already. And it was used as support. Kino! Let's go, my boy. Can't believe you joined today.
Probably gonna rain today.
Can't believe you joined.
What's up? Nothing much.
What trades you looking at for today, Kino?
Same thing you looking at, bro.
NAS or US30?
NAS.
I got into NAS shorts and I stopped NAS.
Sure. I'm just waiting for the pullback. Sure.
US30 again.
You got on US30?
Yeah, I'm doing US30 again. Shows. Sells, sorry. That shit shows. Targeting these lows. Possibly get all the back. Let's see. Alright, going in a good direction. What the news is saying, Kino?
Huh?
What the news is saying?
Ain't nothing much going on. No. But today, I think, looking like sell, bro.
That's what I was seeing. I
Uh,
only see structures breaking down, but I got stopped out twice, so little do I know.
Hey, it's a good check though. You just need that little pullback, and then you see it struggling up. It's a dub, man. It's a W. Beautiful, man.
By the way, you live on YouTube, bro.
Mhm.
YouTube straight right now. A lot of people do it so far.
Okay, let's go. I don't know why you're selling your S30. Yeah.
I just had a bias today of let's be a trade. Let me show you my so you see on the daily time frame, you see where we had that support right here when it broke down, became resistance, and we traded right there where it was resistance. So I'm looking for this period to still be used as resistance. Although I see all these wicks to the came back and went back up here, so I'm taking it back up here.
Nice.
Alright, that sneeze was fake. Yeah, and then see even more details. You can see market structure. When we came up here, we had like a double top and then a break in the neckline. So when I took it, I was expecting it to like continue going down. So we had another retest on top here. It's cool. So I just took shorts again from there. I'm just following market structure, honestly. That's why I took shorts. It's working now. Well, the first one didn't work, but fuck it, the second one.
Yes. Yes, master.
Yes, master. This dude killed.
Yeah, I love it.
Taking it to the edge. But wait till you see my shorts lately.
Yeah, but personally, me, I don't know. I feel like US30 do it. You know US30, man. I should just when it's moving one way, but it don't respect.
Still in the buy, right?
Not close. Make 2%. So it's fine.
I'm done with that. Well, I'm half a percent to 1.5, so I probably lost $500. Oh, Keno, I was telling Witzy, bro. I got a 200K account, bro.
Ooh-wee.
I
Ooh.
won it at the that shit that I went to on Saturday, the FXLHG event. He was rapping.
In New York?
Yeah, in New York, he was rapping off 200K tickets, and I won one.
Lucky bastard.
Nice.
Right, lucky bastard. I signed into it and all. I was like, alright, cool. I'ma sit on this account right here. Ooh, look at the short. You see what I'm talking about, bro? Listen, let's follow the structure. Just follow the structure. Just follow the structure, bro.
Ain't no such thing as luck, bro. You did that, bruh.
Look at this. Look at the NAS. NAS
Beautiful,
just happened to
beautiful.
stop me out, bro. It did
Yeah.
exactly what I wanted. Start short.
Oh, don't. Once you're entry, don't enter more, because if you keep entering right there, it's like FOMO, you know. It's like you giving yourself drawdown, you unnecessary drawdown, you know.
Yeah.
You just
this
let
entry right here is bad.
yeah.
I should have entered here in drawdown.
Yeah.
In drawdown, I should have entered. That would have been a better position. But this entry right here is bad. Right now, I'm taking a little more risk now.
You take a tricky break to take.
I can't
Okay.
Remind you of working on something.
Yeah, I would say like having my own car, my own house and stuff. Like stay out honestly. So the good news is there's more of that than there is of 5 million.
What about you? Do you think that there's more high value benefits to break to take? You said you would cater to
Let's go. Come on,
Alright.
get back on my lawn.
So I would say
Look at that, it's being a little bitch. Look, I already
Did you get up?
He's a bitch.
Did you get up?
It's not bitch, bro.
Oh shit.
Bro, why MT5 lagging, bro?
Hmm?
MT5, that bitch lagging. The
Yeah,
fuck?
that shit is lagging, bro. The price is not moving. It's lagging.
Yeah.
It's not lagging for me.
It's lagging for me. I don't know, because his price is moving, but
Yeah, it's
my
like
shit is not doing anything.
Oh my lord.
Oh,
Look,
come
you see, look at my
on.
screen, bro. This shit is just
Oh
showing
my
bullshit.
lord.
Like, a
See,
nigga
look,
wanna,
look at Naz. Oh my god, you pissed me. I want to punch you in the face, bro.
Oh
I
my
definitely had
lord.
shorts on Naz, bro.
bro,
Ooh.
that shit froze, man. What the,
That shit
I,
froze. I don't know what the fuck
Ooh.
I'm
is
in
going
That
on,
profit. I'm
bro.
shit.
trying to close that shit. Come
What's
on.
going on? Why is it frozen, bro?
Ooh. I
Ah,
mean the little 10 o'clock
Bro,
news
why is
come.
it
Oh
frozen?
my
It should be
lord.
telling me. All right, cool. We made back all the
it is good now.
losses. Made back all the losses. Now we
Ooh.
in profit.
Is it my birthday?
Should I close something?
Hell no. Yo, hold it, bro.
Yeah, I
Yo,
forgot how
like
to use it.
when they reach the 12,475, close it.
Nah, I closed the first. I closed the bad entry. That was a bad entry.
But you're not in drawdown though.
It was a bad entry though.
It
It's
don't
cool. It's
matter.
cool. I closed it. Closed it. Closed something from 300.
Oh
It's cool.
my lord.
It's
Ah.
still pausing though.
Ooh.
No, I just,
Ooh.
Can I get a
I don't,
better target? Let's see. I might target and take partial right here.
Ooh. What is this?
No, Winston, nigga, we ain't playing, bro. We ain't playing. Tell him to get off. Hey, let's go.
yeah, I was close too. It's gonna hit that 32, 370. Wait. Yeah.
This ain't the kind of bro. We ain't playing. What?
Yo, Gino, I was just now in that trade, bro. It stopped me out.
Yeah.
It'd be like
Money,
that.
money, money, money.
Bro, it'd be like that. My entry was right here. Stop loss right here. Another 23 hits. Look at that. God damn it.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I don't like when that shit froze, bro. I have to
that
you
shit
up.
froze, bro. Like, I'm like, what the fuck?
It's an accurate assessment of men. You still think
I
that
put
you
my targets lower, way lower. Let's see. How much is this? Am I
Bruh.
getting it today?
It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit the like 12,476.
Are we looking at different pair
After
of
that,
Uh,
it's gonna give a pullback.
I'm looking
no.
at US30, bro. Let me show you US30.
Oh, yeah, I don't trust US30, bro.
I don't fuck with US30 like that. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I should have just threw Naz and just took reads on Naz. I don't really fuck with US30, honestly, because it be doing dumb shit. So I expect it to go to
Yeah.
32350. That's where I want it to go to. If it can get there, that'd be good. 32530. Let's see. Everything at break even, so I can't lose nothing now. I made like a little bit back from all my losses.
We ain't playing, baby.
Stop loss was 42 pips. I already had a 2-to-1 on this one too. I should have took it, but it's all good. We're gonna try to let this one run and then go to 3. 3-1 is down here. That's a 4-to-1 down there. I'll take it. Gino, oh, Gino, shit. Damn, what's that? 14K? Nigga.
We ain't playing,
It's
boy.
nice to see you back in the game, my
Is
boy.
it my birthday, boy?
Today's your birthday?
No,
Oh,
it's October, bro.
salute, my guy. Salute,
Yes,
my guy.
sir.
We making money.
Alright, let me go to sleep now. Yo.
Come on. I'm still gonna hold this trade. Don't let it go.
A lot of girls can bring that to the table, and then on top of that, men that are high status don't care. So your money doesn't affect. Oh, Winston, nigga, we ain't playing, bro.
You funny,
Oh
bro.
shit, that's me. You recording?
You in the video, bro.
It's very interesting. Let me ask you this.
Mm,
A man would like if I just cooperate with the type of lifestyle that you live in.
shit. Alright, let me be in the background now. We lit, boy. It's giving a little scarcity. Cause like TP1 and TP2 are the smash. So just giving a little pullback right here.
My point is that this is scary work. As a man, you have to understand what it's
Nice. Now pull back, nigga. Keep going, keep going. Break that low. Yeah. Break that low, Nas. Come on now.
say anything about my doctor.
No, that ain't your zone yet. Hey.
About me every Sunday. I'm gonna send you my
Come on.
that I'm prepared for. Especially necessary right now.
Definitely, but why not? I want an indispensable, special make her shine from another woman.
Okay, but any girl can respect.
Yeah, realistically speaking, if most men that a woman would bring.
So, in a nutshell, let's say you're good room, right? It's only good room. Monday, like that. But for that, for now, you're saying, understand that you're gonna be right, it's more value. Simple. We're going with that man once. However, what happens is, oh, I'm a bad bitch, I'm independent. You should want me. No, he's really high value.
Yo, man, turn that down.
Yo, man, I gotta listen to some Fresh and Fit, bruh. That's my daily routine, bruh. Bruh. Hey, man. Yo, all over the world, they having like a NU tape protest, bro. I'm like, yo, this is, bro, why the fuck they still holding them boys, bro?
Real reason is because he was starting his own banking system. Bankers aren't going to let that happen. How do you even start that? Exactly. He was about to put it out, get all his own payment processors and everything. It's going to completely hijack the entire system.
Yeah, cross that low, come on now.
Billionaires.
Come on, bro. Cross it. I want you close below it. Nice.
Saying, we're going to go in timeout, boy. Mess with us again.
Nah.
That's it.
Come on.
You know the real reason Tate's arresting was like fraud. The real reason is because he was starting his own banking system. Bankers.
Come on. Don't do that. You scare me, now.
The real reason Tate's arresting.
You scared me, man. Yeah. Man, you got 200 dead. Yo, you insane, bro. Kano, you about to make money with this, bro.
I'm telling you, bro. I feel it. My time is now, bro. I'm telling you.
Bro.
But how much you up though?
How much I'm up for the day? I'm not up a lot for the day, no.
Bro, are you in right now?
$100. Basically, I already made back my losses.
Justice, equality,
Yeah.
clothing, shelter, and electoral. Those are knowledge, wisdom, understanding, freedom, justice, equality, clothing, shelter, love, peace, and happiness. So a man must first get knowledge, wisdom, understanding. Once you got that, freedom must operate under the law of justice. I'm free to smack you in the face, right? But now justice comes in.
Now hold on. I have questions. Yes.
It's just bouncing there wide. It's like, damn.
That shit ain't really moving, bro.
Yeah, but I feel like it's still gonna go down. It's just, I think it's trying to reach, like, correct this price of that big drop. But I want, if it keep closing above them wick below, I mean, yeah, like this, it's looking good right now. I want it to keep closing on the like 12,508. If it close there, yeah.
The real reason you
Like you said, about it. Probably gonna retest where he was at.
Yeah, it keep closing below that, man. Yeah. Oh, bro, you gonna close with profit today, bro.
So don't wait till that shit stop you out, man.
Stop me at a break even.
Like you in US30?
I'm still in U30. What I should have really took.
Yeah, I let some. Yeah, TP1 hit, so I just let one. I mean, it's just struggling. Yeah, I'm like, if it closed right there above it, I'm gonna get up. Let's get it.
Slow as fuck, man.
Hey, patient, bro. Patient. That's where patient comes. That's it. Did you took another trade? Oh, okay. I just put my stop to break even. If it hit me out, I lost some profit. So just let it run.
I would trade.
Right. Excuse me, sir. I'm so sorry about this.
Mhm. Mhm.
Psychological facts.
Mhm. Keep going, Nas. Don't do that.
He's coming back. He's turning back. He's here.
Mhm.
You'll see him.
Like most children stuff, fathers and parents, he wants to church. Jesus' wife, Mary was wife, every picture on the wall was white. But one day I just stepped back and looked and thought about why is this? Why does he have this? Well, we're not just slaves. We are more than ex-slaves. We're from Africa. That's very rich area. We were the first architects to build pyramids. We were the first astrologers. So I just took a step back and said that we're not this. We're more than gang members. We're more than killers, There was time 25 years ago, Martin Luther King was assassinated, and Malcolm X was assassinated. It's not just sitting it's It's time for us to change this.
His mom told her son to go to his
Life hacks you only know after 200 years of living. 1. Wash strawberries in lightly salted water. It will remove the bugs from the strawberries. 2. Fruit bugs are flying around on fruit. 4. Apple cider vinegar and detergent into a cup and mix well. Cut out the envelope and put it in the cup. The fruit worms will all fly in. 3. Soak vegetables that are not fresh in lightly salted water. The salt water will revive the greens. 4. Green bananas are inedible. Replace bananas with apples. Wait for 24 hours and then taste. 5. Freshly bought apples will have a layer of fruit wax on their surface. Salt them with hot water before consumption. This way the wax can be removed perfectly. Have you learned it? If you haven't learned it yet, please subscribe and like it. Hacks you only know after 200 years of living. 1. Favorite detergent ever found. Por fin te conocemos.
Sí, tenía mucha referencia.
Controlar la lista con la guitarrista.
Sí, sí, me tocó tal.
Cántame.
Podría estar en posición. Rock. Está bueno. Vamos a hacer algo un poco más. Creo que por fin superó los otros bien, güey.
Y aparte de todo esto que contaste, de ese mundo que
¿Qué te sientes? De ahora cirujano. Fight your ass, niggas. Stop fighting your ass.
Down again. Let's go.
You need to sit right behind your toilet. After you take a shit, you wipe until the brown is gone. And yes, you also need to next finger in your middle finger. Pump it around your bunghole a little bit, nigga. Yeah, you need to go. Not all of them.
You know what's so good about it? It's like when you're in profit and they just doing that little thing, it really controls your psychology, man. Look at it, finally dropping out. You later. Yeah, man.
Behind your toilet. After you take the shit, you wipe until the brown is gone. And yes, you also around your
Alright, buddy, let's see what you got going on here. Hey, wait, you're going, Mickey. Where you going, Butters, I don't have time for this. I can't wait if your wiener is pulling a scared turtle. Hang on, he's coming back up. There he is. Alright, Butters, looks like we have 2.4 inches for the gun. That's a neck cost. It's a little chilly. Alright, Butters, let's see what you got.
Ladies and gentlemen, survive. Allow you to have your idea and defend your idea.
Nah, just playing with my feelings now, bro.
Anything else? So now I'm down. I live downtown LA. No, I just walk the streets all night. Okay. I'm a call. Another day of sobriety and recovery. 7.5 months. Right, 7.5 months of my sensitivity, but
Every single man out here, you don't take your girlfriend, you want it for money.
that's my dad.
An 84-year-old mother called me up. I will tell you. An 84-year-old mother called me up. She said, Paul, I have something very serious to talk to you about, but you're always so busy. It's a terrible thing. I said, Mom, what's wrong? And she's a very happy, genuine person. She goes, my mother's deeply religious. I've not seen a doctor since 1968. She said, my right breast is 5 times the size of my left. I have 6 lymph glands the size of walnuts. And her voice started shaking, and I'm not ashamed to admit that I started crying. I can tell this. We spent a large part of June at the Swedish Breast Cancer Clinic in Seattle. The oncologist examined her. She had a 5.5 centimeter diameter. It metastasized. It went to her sternum. It went to her liver. She had stage 4 breast cancer. The doctor gave her less than 3 months to live. Stated it was the second worst case of breast cancer she has seen as a doctor in 20 years of practice. We we had a circle family meeting. My mom announced that she bought a tiny house, the cheapest one that she could find, because she was going to have it. But then they got you can't have radiation therapy, you can't have your breast removed. You should be studying on retail mushrooms at Mr. Medical School. You might want to try taking those. And then my mother goes, oh, my son's fine. So she was put on Taxol and Perceptive, wonderful drugs. And she started taking 8 turkey tail capsules a day. And that was in June of 2009. And today, my mother has no.
But now they keep respecting that area, bro. I love it.
Very serious to talk to you about. You're always so busy. It's terrible. Very happy, genuine person. She doesn't.
Huh?
My mother's deeply religious. I've not seen a doctor since 1968.
Yeah, now it's looking to keep dropping, bro. Oh yeah. If I would check another entry. Right here. So good.
NAS should have been the one.
Yeah. That's a good 32 bit.
I really don't like trading security pairs. Just really just stick to
Nah, US30, I ain't never touching that shit no more. I just let it run.
I think I'm done for the day.
Alright.
Run up some more live session, bro. It was exciting, bro.
That's it.
Hey, y'all boys. Have a great, safe day. See y'all tomorrow.
Alright.
Bye.